Man, Forex fam, I'm back. I'm back. You probably saw this last video that I loaded up not too long ago where I had the $300 win. Man, this day is absolutely incredible. Incredible. I said I was gonna close down the charts, but I said nah, I was paying attention. So instead of me doing a recap video, I'm just gonna keep running this video with my trade. Right now, it is looking, I think it's just gonna be good content. Especially if this trade continues to go up, man. Like, I am excited. Like, I know I started right into it, but again, Dre Forex King, new video. If you guys are new to my videos, then no clickbait, no fancy thumbnails, none of that stuff. It's just real, authentic content of me trading on my trading journey. So while this trade is moving, and I'll see. Okay, so the market's here right now, right? So prior to this, I smacked the market for $313, right? Smacked them, absolutely demolished the market. And right now, the market is still going up. Well, we'll see. We'll see what based on this candle, but like this is turning out to be my best day since recording on YouTube. Like, it is hands down my best day since recording on YouTube. We're talking about, as long as I don't blow this trade, easily best day $500 easy. Can you talk about 265, 300, 2 and 3 is 5 easy, easy. So like, ain't gonna lie, I had to record it again. I'm not gonna do a recap video. This is gonna be my last video for the day. But man, this is amazing, bro. This is absolutely amazing. Amazing. And then another reason why I came back to this, why I started it again, was because, man, it just looked like this thing was just gonna keep going. Because I recognize, and here's really why I started to record again. I recognize this level here, and the last time it hit this level and bounced, it ran all the way up. So I don't know if it's gonna run all the way up now, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna record just in case it does, because it's gonna be good content. It's gonna be good content. It's gonna be good to see this. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's really why I turned it on again. I would have waited. I would have waited till later and just recorded a recap video, but my overall trade, the trading day, phenomenal. Like, I have zero intentions of ending this trade with less than $200. If it drops too low, I'm closing it and we're getting out. Based on my strategy, there is potential for it to keep going up. Or, no, let me not say that. Based on my strategy, I have the option to wait and see based on the closure of the candle to see if it will keep going up, or if I'm uncomfortable based on price action, I can get out. That's the correct thing for me to say. But man, this today turned out to be absolutely amazing, bro. Like, I can't even put into words how I feel. For real. It's amazing. So, again, for those who are new, my videos almost always last based on the closure of the candles. And it's because I'm trading on the 5-minute chart. I'll wait for candles to close before I make a final decision whether I stay, whether I get out, etc. I think that's the right thing to do anyway, but I'm just stating the obvious. So 1050. Let's see what this next candle does. Honestly, I feel like we might get another bear candle. I don't know. Just because of this strong bullish. This is a good level. I'm not gonna scroll back again. I just know it's a good level. Um, but this thing might keep going up, and if it does, it's just great content. Just to record it. Um, Let me see. I won't lie to you. I'm a little on edge because my Wi-Fi went out for a split second, and I had to load while I was in this trade. man, I was Let me tell you something. Anxious? Yeah, I was anxious for real, for real. Because US 30 is crazy, man. The US 30 is so volatile that every and anything can happen. So I like to be nails, especially with US 30. I don't care about nothing else. This US 30, man, she is an incredible woman, to say the least. You know what I mean? So 1051. There we go. Like I was like, it's like there's no movement at all. Like what's going on? Like let's get through this level. Let's push through it. I'm not even gonna play. I'm not even gonna play. This will be my last video. Now I'm shutting the charts. It might shoot up. I'm gonna take my $500 day. I'm gonna take my $500 day and be appreciative. This is the best day I've ever had since recording on YouTube. So, of course, I am absolutely elated. Elated right now. Elated. I don't care what the charts do at this point. Really don't. Lock this down. Look at the day real quick. Oh yeah, man. This. Like, yeah, bro. Like, it's kind of what I thought would happen. To be honest, I thought it would. I thought it would go pretty high. It honestly might go higher, but this is where we have to pay attention to. This is where we have to pay attention to greed and FOMO. So this is where I'm gonna be happy. Um, like all things included. Since scaling the account to 10K, this is the highest the account has been since I've had it. Because prior the account, I think I showed it in the last video. The watermark was like 10,007 or something like that. Before I requested my payout. I mean, look at me now. So it did close when I closed the pending. So it took a little while, but it hit. But like, calendar 313 plus 223, man, 536, bro. Like, that's my best day since recording. So, we could look at these later. I'll analyze that later. But man, safe to say we're no longer in draw. I should not be anywhere near drawdown at this point. I'm not worried about that. 10-8, good stuff. Max drawdown still 10. So I think my drawdown is still static at 10K. I don't think it should move. Period again. Let me see if this loaded. No, so it didn't load yet. It didn't load yet, but we already see the charts. We already see the win. Greed. Greed. I had my best day yet. This one, let me let me turn off this video so that way I can stop looking at these charts. Because if I keep looking at this chart and it keep going and it goes up again, I'm gonna get in. I'm going to get in again, and like I want to get in right now. I want to get in right now because it's gonna push forward. It's gonna go. It's gonna push up. It's gonna push up. And once it does, it gets into profit. I'm gonna get out. Do. 57. 2 more minutes. Two more minutes. Once it gets in the profit, I'll get out. Yeah. That was a little scary. That was a little scary. Like, man, did I just take a loss for no reason? Come on, man. Push up, man. Stop playing with me. Man, stop playing with me. 2 more minutes. Let's get there. One more minute. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. Come on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on. Yes, sir. Come on. Come on. Come on. Woo! Woo! You guys are watching it live. Live. No, I'm gonna let this trade run. I'm gonna let this trade run, 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 run. This thing might do what I thought it was gonna do. It might go all the way up. It might legitimately go all the way up for real. Bro, talk about a major run. Bro, like this is crazy. Crazy. This is crazy right now. Oh my God. Okay, so now we see what we got going on. I don't know how far it's gonna go. Now I'm not gonna pretend to know how far it's gonna go. But I definitely don't want less. Well, I'm in profit at this point. So we saw what happened 5 minutes ago. So let's be appreciative of where we at right now. I should have never gotten into this trade. But you see an opportunity, you take it. You risk. Risk reward. The reward was much higher than the risk based on my personal strategy. Now, I don't know if this is going to be another 30-minute video like my last one I recorded, but where are we at? So we're at the pink. Okay. I thought it would have gone up here, but even the pink is solid. The pink is solid. Pink, this pink level that I have here, that's a solid level too. So it could bounce there too. 1103. Like, bro, this day is shaping up to be my best day ever. Recording. I've had $1,000 days, but I didn't record. I didn't start recording on YouTube when I had that day, and that was when I had the old account with FTP. But super, super, super. I don't know if you guys watch One Piece. Super. Oh man, this is bananas. This is great. This is great. So I'll take this opportunity. So if I wanted to, big if, but I'm not. I want another withdrawal. Once this account gets to $1,000 in profit, I can put into requests to get scaled up again. I can do that. But right now, I don't want to. Right now, I want to continue making more money. That sounds kind of silly, doesn't it? Let me think about it. And the reason why that's possible, and I can think about it, the best thing about it is there's no time limit. FTP doesn't force you, okay, immediately, or you can run your trades and your account however you see fit. So, and just timing. It because when they're scaling the account, you can't trade, or you can't have any open trades. So you'd have to wait the 2 days. They normally get it done in like 24 to 48 hours, but you'd have to wait for them to go and adjust the numbers, scale it up before you can trade again. So right now, I don't necessarily want to do that. Nah. So I might just chill, keep trading, stay consistent, keep doing the good habits, and then down the road, maybe in a couple days, I'll scale it up. But right now, it's for me, it's just about consistency, being patient, taking advantage of the days that I have, making the most amount of money that I can over the next few days, and then I'll scale up. I think that's what I'll do. hmm But this is shaping up to be an absolutely incredible day. And if you stuck with me throughout this video so far, best day yet. So we're talking about 500 off top, another 150, so maybe 650 right now, depending on where and how I close out this trade. So right now, off today, phenomenal, like phenomenal. And this is my first time using this volume right here. So like, there's a lot of news, a lot of firsts for me right now. So I'm just completely excited, humbled, appreciative of what we got going on. So again, I'm just waiting for the right opportunity to get out. Ooh, and we hit 1,000. Super. Super. Hmm. Hmm. Super. Super. That's the first time Bitcoin has hit that high. Or what I might do is wait. Mm-hmm. I don't know. I'll meditate on that, whether I want to scale up right now or not. And there's a reason why. Let's go to something a little bit clearer and cleaner. A little bit clearer, a little bit cleaner. So, look, see? Like, all my levels are just wonderful. All my levels are just stupendous. So, it very well might do what I thought it was going to do. It might go up to this level before it bounces, or even higher. I don't know if I'm gonna let this video run this entire time, completely gonna be based on price action, completely. What are you doing? It did. I didn't want to say it because I wasn't sure, but with the momentum of the day, I figured it might wick or maybe close above this previous last few days to continue to confirm the upper momentum of the day, and then next week it may continue going up, maybe. Um, ah, so I'm gonna wait on this candle. Now, if this candle closes like this will be finite. This will be finite, no matter what happens. Like, if it closes like this, but if it keeps going up, I'm staying. I'm staying. Risk to reward. Let's see what this says. I know it's gonna show something about equity, etc. Okay, so we are here. $11, $12. Like, today is truly been an amazing day. Truly. Based on how this candle is moving now, never mind. I'll keep quiet. I'll wait. I'll wait. I will wait. All right, so no more conversation fillers. Now it's just a matter of when am I going to get out this trade? And am I going to shut down this video, or am I going to let it keep going? I let FOMO take over me once, not again. Okay, this is solid. Slight wick. Not a big wick. But like this movement, bro. Whoa, bro. This is this is good. So this is what I keep talking about when I say, like, real authentic content, no fillers, no clickbait, no, like, you're seeing real my real reactions at the time of the video. Now, this candle has me a little bit cautious. So we see the momentum is slowing down for real. Like, you just have to pay attention. The moving average is curving. What is it going to do? Trying to push up. It's trying. That's why. But I have that marked over here, so I don't need to. Like, I know that. Oh. Tripping. The internet again. Man, listen here. This internet does this again. We just gonna close trades. Let's not do that again. That's what I see. You guys saw it. The internet. That's not the prop firm. That's the internet. I'll leave that conversation for another day. Yeah. Why not? My complex decided to get rid of Comcast and choose this other company. All about money. They don't care about us. So, yeah. That's my quick 20-second rant. Yeah, momentum has slowed down drastically. 17. Might continue to creep up for real. Not sure how high though. That was a tease. Let's see if you're gonna follow through. So I lied. I didn't think this was gonna be another 30-minute video, but the way things are going, we're there. We are there. So we got a tease. We got a tease with this level. Do I have 2 levels there? Why does this thing look like this? It's like I have 2 levels, a blue and a green there. Whatever. I'll do that later. Right now, that level's helping me. Yeah. Major momentum swing. Not major, but like you can see that it's like slowly tapping out. You don't need a rocket science to figure that out, right? I'll take it. Done. 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 So where we at for the day? 313 plus 223 plus 169. Boss. Boss. What would happen if I did 313 plus 223 plus 200? A couple dollars more. But 3 plus 223 plus 169. 75, bro. Like, best day yet, bro. Best day yet. So, yeah. It's a wrap. It is a wrap. So, this candle should shut down by now. Let's see. So, where did it go? So, it wicked out in the same area vicinity that I hoped that I was still in a trade for. So, regardless, bro, like, we're done. We're done. I appreciate you guys for rocking with me for both long videos, but man, I think this was worth it. So, whatever you guys' strategy is, man, just stay disciplined, stay focused, stay true to yourself, stay patient, trust and believe. And really, that's it. If you're not in the market, man, be careful. Wait for your setup, whatever it is. If you're in the market based on your strategy, good luck. And man, take your money. You saw what I did. I ain't gonna lie to you. You saw my elements of FOMO. Like I almost didn't want to do it. And then I looked and I said, man, the reward is higher than the risk, and I took it, and it paid off this time. Next time, I'll be honest, I should be more disciplined, especially after seeing something like this. Take the profits, take the win. At that time, would have been a $500 day anyway, so no need to be too greedy, but I ain't gonna lie, I was greedy today. I gotta be nails next time. This is not always gonna pay out. So, end the day with some major wins. I'm appreciative, I'm grateful. Best day yet, $705 day since recording on YouTube. I gotta keep emphasizing that. Yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate you guys, man. Forex King out.